Hey everybody, Jake here, taking a look at yet another product from one of my favorite barbecue company, BBQ-Aid. This is, I think, the item that started it all for these guys, their grill brush. I feel like this should be a staple to anyone's barbecue setup. You've got to have a grill brush. This brush is 17 inches long with a 3-inch wide head and scraper. Stainless steel design goes deep into the acacia wood handle, giving this a very sturdy feel and some legitimate weight. I mean, this is a heavy-duty tool. The plastic tools that came with the grill I bought, I think the only item from that set that I even used was the scraper, and it broke after a couple of weeks. But this one, this is not mine. Mine is out on the grill. I actually do use this thing. I've been using it for over a year now. It has not broke, it has not worn out. It is a fantastic grill brush. And when the bristles start to wear off, BBQ-Aid has replacement heads that you can buy because they know the bristles are going to wear out. That's going to happen with any grill brush that you buy. But they make it super easy to just pull the screws off the back of their brush handle, put on a new head, and you're good to go. You don't have to buy a whole new brush. And I love that they've taken that into consideration. This is a quality product made from a fantastic company that is legit manufacturing durable, effective, helpful barbecue tools.